Hello everyone, this is ABD from Shark Tweaks back with another video. And in this video, I will be talking about 5 best video editing apps for iPhone, which are free. You always need an app for editing YouTube videos to Instagram Reels, TikTok or any other social media. So now I will show you the 5 best apps that are very easy to use and has all the premium features in free version, that too without watermark. So before I start, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and that will also help us to grow our channel. So the first app on the list is VN Video Editor. It's totally free and no watermark. It's very easy to use. VN Editor comes with a lot of features as well. Unlike iMovie, which is a single track video editor, this one is a multi-track video editor. It means you can layer up your video clips on top of them for professional video editing. I mostly use this software for editing my YouTube videos on my iPhone 11. You can also switch between different video formats from here. If you are making a video for an Instagram and now you want to change its format for YouTube videos, just switch from here and you are good to go. VN Video Editor has basically everything that you need to edit a video. Just something to be aware of: when you create a new project, just delete the little card at the end of the video. Now, next app we have over here is Flow, VLLO. It's a very nice and easy app. I think it's little better than VN Video Editor as it has smooth and refined interface than the VN Video Editor, and also it has some professional features as well, like adjustment layer. It lets you apply filters and effects and some more things to do, which is something that you would normally only see in professional video editing software. If you are going to edit your content based on audio or voiceover, these audio waveform makes it really easy to do here. Just like in VN, you can also switch between different formats from here. It's really easy here as well. I really like color effects, color grades, the filters and the things that are in there. They make it so easy for me. Also in free version, you can export videos without a watermark, so no need to worry. But if you want to unlock the professional features, you need to pay for the subscription. So I think that's really cheap considering what you are getting access to. So the next best app is the Adobe Premiere Pro Rush. It has the best multi-layer editing. Many apps don't have multi-layer editing, but the ones that have among them, Premiere Pro Rush has the best. It also makes it really easy to manage different layers and edit really high quality content. In Adobe Premiere Pro Rush free version, you get access to all the features, like you can add your clips, cut them, split them, add some effects and add text as well as the sound effects that you need. And you can export the video in 1080 60 fps, that are highest quality for free version. You can only export videos in 4K and get access to all the premium features and content if you are a paying Adobe Creative Cloud customer. So even in free version, I would say Adobe Premiere Pro Rush is really good at multi-layer editing and has all the features that you need. Now next we have is GoPro Quick. GoPro Quick is made for footage that is taken by the action cams, but you can use it for mobile videos also. In GoPro Quick, you get all the basic features like add text, edit clips, plus some extra features like to add stickers, speed up or slow down your clips, or access their royalty-free music library. And on top of that, there is a ton of different themes that you can use to really make fun clips that you can share with your friends. And you can export videos up to 1080p 60 fps. Basically, GoPro Quick has the features that you need to make YouTube videos. So now the last app for the video is Splice. If you are looking for an app that has lot of features and which is easy to use, I would say you should go for Splice. It's the best video editing app. I think it's the most effective app when it comes to setting up a project. You can easily add the clips, set the ratio and make it easier to add text and other effects as well as the elements. You can export video from 540p to 4K. That's something you won't get in many apps, that too in free version. And the only downside here is that in the free version you can't access any of their music or effects. So that's all for this video. These are the best 5 video editing apps for iPhone that I use, and I think it will be very useful for you too. So go ahead and check it out. Links of all the apps will be pinned in the comment. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.